Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Now we will continue about equations. We will look at very basics of equations, like what kind of rules we follow when we deal with the equations. Like for example, I will write down simple equation. Now these quantities are being multiplied with each other, and after that these two are being added. Now for example, if I will say 3 equal to 3 plus 5 equal to, it will remain 3. If I will add only quantity in left hand side, this equality become inequality. It will not remain valid further. So what I have to do, if I am going to add anything on left hand side of equation, I have to add same thing on the right hand, so that the equality remain valid. So here I am adding 5, here I am adding 5, so 8 equal to 8, it remains valid. So if you are going to do anything on left hand side, same you have to do on right hand side. Same is the case if I will multiply anything on left hand side, I have to multiply same thing on right hand side, so that equality should remain valid. Okay. Or if I can say another thing, if anything is being added here, other side of equation it will be subtracted. How and why? We will look at this. Okay, let us take this general example. Ax plus b equal to 0. You have seen that we are everywhere we are talking about that whenever a thing is being added on left hand side, when it goes to right hand side, it is subtracted. For example, if I will move this b to right hand side, we will say b will be subtracted from 0. How it is happening? Actually, we are doing subtraction on both sides. As I said before, 3 equal to 3, I took this example. I said if I will add anything here, I must have to add that same thing our other side, so that equality should remain valid. Now we see, normally we are saying when we will move this b to other side, it will be subtracted. This equation will become ax equal to 0 minus b. How this minus b is coming? The same procedure we are following. We are actually subtracting b on both sides. If I will write here, it will be like this. Behind the scene, this is happening. I am subtracting b here, and same I am subtracting on other side. This b is being cancelled. B minus b equal to 0. Here we are left with ax, and 0 minus b is minus b. So same thing we are getting, and we say, in short, we are saying when we move anything, if that thing is being added here, when we say when we will move it to other side, it will be subtracted. So here what happened, this b we subtracted on both sides and we got this one. Now in multiplication case, if anything is being multiplied on left hand side, on other side it will be divided. Same like if I am adding, I am multiplying any quantity on one side, I have to multiply on other side. If I am dividing anything, I have to divide on other side so that both remain equal. So now a is being multiplied with x. I want to remove a. What I have to do? So I will divide both sides by a, or I will say I will move this a to other side. If it is multiplied here, on other side it will be divided. And what is happening behind the scene? Actually we are dividing a on both sides. We are getting x equal to minus b, and this we say solution of this equation. And what is the solution of equation? Finding out the value for unknown variable. Here variable was x and it is unknown. We have to find out that value for which these two become valid. Now if you want to verify, as I discussed, that the solution is that when we will put this value back in our equation, we will get both sides equal. That's why we say this is the solution of this equation. For example, if I will put x equal to minus b by a here, this equation will become a. Okay, we received x equal to minus b by 2. A is multiplied with x, so x value is minus b by 2. We will say a into minus b by a plus b equal to 0. This a will cancel. We will left with minus b plus b equal to 0. Minus b plus b equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. Left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. So we say this is the solution of equation. If you recall, we discussed same thing in our previous lecture, and we said we defined the solution of equation is for any value for variable for which the equation becomes, the equality becomes valid. So here the x equal to minus b, this equation will become valid. This is simple linear equation. And now we will see now we can summarize. Anything we want to add or subtract in any equation, we have to do on both sides. Same if we want to multiply or divide anything on equation one side, we have to do on other side. In alternate way, same thing we can say, if anything is added on one side, on other side it will be subtracted. If anything is multiplied on one side, on other side it will be divided. If we are moving that thing to other side, it will be divided. If anything is added, we will move to other side, it will be subtracted. And these both terms are same. Same example, x plus 5 equal to 0. You see 5 is added here, on other side it will be subtracted. This we discussed here. If here x is 5 is divided by x, on other side it will be multiplied. Same this actually we are doing this thing. You see, for to eliminate the 5, we are subtracting on both sides. Here x is x plus 5. If I want to remove it, I will subtract on both sides. And you see we are getting same thing, x equal to 0 minus 5. Same, if x by 5, we want to eliminate 5, we will multiply both sides by 5 and we will get 0 into 5, same thing. So these both terminologies are same. We can say if one thing is added here, on other side it will be subtracted. If anything is multiplied here, on other side it will be divided. So this is all about the very basics of equation solution. We took simple equation and when we solved it, we got its solution as minus b by a. And you know how we did it. We subtracted b on both sides. 0 minus b is b, and then we divided both sides. We received this solution, and we verified that if we will put back it into this equation, we will receive we will get left hand side equal to right hand side, and we call it as solution of equation. This is simple equation, and it is in how many variables are involved? Only one variable. Which one is that? X. So this how we will solve these kind of equations. This same way we will eliminate x, like we will take it on one side and all other things we will move on other side. Whatever answer we will receive, that will be the solution of this equation. This is, we call this equation as equation in one variable, because only one variable is involved. So in our future lectures we will look at the equations in two variables as well. Like in our future lecture we will see and we will study about equations in two variables as well. Linear equations. And why we call it linear? If you recall, its variable degree is 1 and we are receiving one solution. This kind of equations we call linear equation. This is linear equation in one variable, and in future we will study about linear equation in two variables, and those will be like this kind, this x plus y equal to 3, 2x plus y equal to 7, like this. These are linear equations in two variables, and we will study about the solution of these kinds of equations, how many methods we can adopt to solve these equations. So if you are having any ambiguity or if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments, and I will try to explain and clear those. This was all about today's lecture. See you in upcoming lecture. Thank you very much.